Okay guys, so this phone is Samsung A70 or 75, so that around that model number, I think A70. Okay, so this phone opening concept is totally different. Even though you can see this the middle or the housing here, so after we uh, remove all the screws, still we cannot take it out. So so this phone is slightly different than other one, so we need to separate the housing from the display. Okay, so we can use the guitar pick or this type of prying tool, then we can separate it out from the housing. Okay, so like this gently you need to put the prying tool. So careful about when you remove at the corner. This way, or I can use this. Okay guys, so now you can see the housing we separated from the phone. Okay, so on the other normal phone you can see once you remove all the screws, you can take it out from this section. Okay, but for this phone is totally different. Okay, so now actually this phone having the charging port problem, so now we will check the charging port and why it not getting that charging. All we will check all these things now. So this is the one of the important thing I want to show you. So on this video I just want to share with you this thing. Okay, so whenever you see, if you can't see, actually you can see a small gap in between this section. Okay, if you can't see the small section, and this is totally fully molded with the housing, so that means we need to separate this like this way. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.